The hardship of the community of Verdwaal under the support and leadership of Verdwaal Business Forum continues. 3 of the community members were arrested and charged with malicious damage to property. It is alleged that on the protest that took place at the main entrance of Sephaku Cement in February, where Verdwaal community demanded inclusion into the shutdown program that normally take 21 days. Verdwaal community had hoped at least they would be absorbed since other opportunities are already taken by outsiders through what they termed selo sa letsogo, meaning pay to be hired. As for them, they don't have money to buy these positions. They at least hoped to be part of the shutdown. Unfortunately, a small fraction was taken to add to the workforce that came with foreign companies. In that protest, 3 Verdwaal community members were arrested and are now on bail of 500 rand each.
We went to strike on the 13th February 2026. We went to demand our answers on the memorandum that had been submitted to Sephaku. And the strike was peaceful, and the memorandum had never been considered and adhered to. And the second thing, Sephaku opened a case against us, and they arrested 3 members of our community at Verdwaal village, and they appeared in court on the 16th of February 2026, and they had been given a bail application of 500 by the court. And today, as you see us here in Ituse Magistrate Court, it is the second appearance of today, 12 March 2026, and they said we must be here at 8:30. Until now, there is so these mining companies, mainly Sephaku Cement, they are using their scare tactics, working with the police of Ituse to scare us not to be near the Sephaku to demand or request any employment or any benefit or business opportunities. So that these mining companies, all of them, I see that they are using these tactics to fear us, but we are not scared. We will be always standing there to demand what we need, the benefit that is of us. We must get there, and these are the strategies that the mining companies are using as they are mining illegally in our land.